Here we have a 2013 Honda Pilot. It's got approximately 170 plus thousand miles. Came in with a engine misfire and a couple cylinders, and also had a slight engine tick to it. We verified that a spark plug or an ignition coil or a fuel injector was not a problem, and it passed with flying colors. So we kind of figured it was going to be something mechanical. The tick was very hard to pinpoint. Sound travels, but we've kind of figured out that it was on the top part of the engine, coming from the cylinder heads. So we took the valve covers off and we did a visual inspection, and we honestly we couldn't see much. This is different cylinder heads. They're not like your typical cylinder heads that you can see right past them, and you can see the camshafts. This one, the camshafts were hardly visible. So upon just a visual inspection, we didn't see much. We decided to take it a step further, and I'm happy we did. We found that lobe on each of the camshafts was bad. I'll show you what we found in a minute. I'll get right to it. Okay, so here we go. These are the camshafts out of the 2013 Honda Pilot. As you can see, let me try to zoom in proper way. Come on. Right there. You can see that lobe. See that lobe right here. And then the other one, there we go. You can see that right there. So for sure that was causing the misfire, and that engine ticked. That roller had failed, and it was causing pitting on that lobe on both camshafts actually. Let me try to get a better angle of this one. Oh, there you go. Right there, you can see it. It was already pitting into it. And here are the cylinder heads. They came back from the machine shop, they were resurfaced, and we're getting ready to put everything back together. I'll keep you updated. Thank you. Just a quick update on the 2013 Honda Pilot with the engine misfires on multiple cylinders and also a ticking noise. We put everything back together. We decided to pull these heads out just so the mileage was up there. We wanted the heads resurfaced, the valves adjusted, and just so it would be running properly. So we took it a step further, and we pulled these heads out and sent them out to the machine shop, had them resurfaced and valves adjusted, new camshafts. Now that everything's put back together, the misfire is gone, no more ticking, and it is running very, very good. Once again, this was a 2013 3.5. There's a lot of videos out there with ticking sounds coming from the 3.5s, and most of the time it's your timing tensioner. I have seen that a lot. This case was a little bit different. It was not the tensioner. Actually, the tensioner and the belt had been done not too long ago, so I knew that was not the case. Like I said, we pulled the valve covers off, and just a simple visual inspection, we couldn't see much. So that's why we took it a step further, and we started taking rocker arms and stuff apart. That's when we found that camshafts were bad. So we pulled the heads out. We wanted to do a good job on this vehicle, so we pulled the heads out, had them resurfaced, new camshafts, valves were adjusted, and now the car is running perfect, and it's no more ticking. Thank you. Hope this video helps.